Hi, my name is Gaia and this is my little brother,
Alan.
Today we're going to do some Poppet trading. Okay, so show them what you got, Alan.
I got this.
Show them what you tame I got.
Like Among Us. Or like Among Us Poppet. They have a lot of bubbles.
That's big.
And also this is a squishy.
Isn't that mine?
Squish. And also we have a ice cream Poppet. And it's soft. It's really soft. And this one, it's really fun to play with.
And it even glows in the dark.
Yeah, but it's also in the other side. It's soft. And we have other ice cream Poppets with rainbow and other colors. You see, these are different. This one only has 4 colors, and this one has like more colors than that one. So yeah.
Okay, now here's mine. His name is Steve Hamilton. Wait,
I'm Among
wait.
Us. Oh!
And a yellow Poppet. Who cares about this one? But
Isn't yellow your favorite color?
No, it's
Oh,
wrong color. Wrong color.
put my wrong color.
Okay. And here's the sound of this.
I think my glasses are
Which
falling. Here's the sound of this.
Okay. Okay, now the next one.
When I do that, we're going to do the popping at the end. But now we're shading.
Well, we're just showing.
Oh yeah.
Well, and also I have this Poppet, the flower Poppet.
It's really good. They have different colors. They get like.
And here, necklace Poppet.
It's
and
a watch.
Well, if you go to school and you say like, "Hey, do you have any Poppets?" You're like, "No." But
Yeah,
you
you
come
can
back
flex.
to wait. Then you could come back to school with a necklace Poppet. They say, "Wow, you're looking cool." Brian said, "You say Brian."
Brian.
Stop
I think it's for-
again. And Brian, look at me. Ha ha ha. I'm flexing. Ha 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 ha. And stop. And Brian, what are you going to compare to that? Brian goes home early. And Brian cries to his mom, "Mama, I want a necklace Poppet." And Brian's just a name that I made up.
Brian's my imagination.
Look,
but-
let's say
No.
crying.
Crying.
He's crying.
Crying.
Necklace Poppet.
I'm a pie. I'm a
Okay. No.
Oh my god, Alan.
Why'd you do that for?
I don't know why.
You're not getting any likes. Oh yeah. Also subscribe to the channel.
And they'll make us really happy. Like right
And
now.
if you want to make me happy, please subscribe. If you want to make him happy, hit the like button. Like if you click that like button, it'll turn blue like his sunglasses. And the subscribe button's like red, like my glasses. Okay, next one. Okay, move on. Okay, now let's trade, bro.
I'll trade you this square Poppet. It glows in the dark.
Just for this?
Yeah.
Set.
Thank you.
I'm trading flower Poppet.
For ice cream.
And
For ice cream. Okay. Train flower Poppet.
necklace.
Add. Thank you.
Okay, now guys, if you wanna hit him in the face, hit that like button. Oh,
No, don't hit me in the face. Just hit that like button. But don't hit my glasses.
okay, no one wants to hear that. Okay, next one. I'm stealing it.
No, don't choke, brother. I think I pinched you by accident.
Okay. Next one. Okay, stop crying. Stop crying, little crying.
Okay. I'm not crying, I'm pieing.
I'm fine, you're pieing. You're pieing. I want some chicken. I'm just kidding.
I want some chicken.
You want talking?
KFC. KFC. KFC.
Okay, next, what should we do?
Wait,
Can I borrow your Among Us Poppet?
No, it's not for sale. Okay.
I'll try to do this. And stay
for this. I'll trade this Poppet for what?
I'm just kidding. Okay, nothing. Mama, nice.
I'll trade this Poppet for some. Thank you. No.
You robber, you stinking robber.
Mama,
don't you dare.
you're taking my Poppet.
No one cares. Okay. Okay, no more. Is that good?
Are my glasses upside down? Wait.
No, they are. Okay. Next one.
I'm trying a cupcake Poppet. Hey, don't grab my.
Did you just say cupcake Poppet? You mean squishy.
Squishy.
Cupcake Poppet.
Cupcake Poppet. Okay. Cupcake Poppet for what?
You're doing it on purpose, aren't you?
I'm not doing. Glasses for what? And pop. Hey, not the glasses. These are part of me. Wait,
the like button?
Yeah, these are part
And the
of me.
subscribe button. And the subscribe, he's the like button. You don't know, like button is shorter and that's all. Oh, you know what I mean. Okay.
I'm actually taller than him.
Oh, yeah, SpongeBob. Oh, no.
Okay, show them Danny your shirt.
I already shown him.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Bye.
okay, wait. Don't. I'm not leaving yet. Okay. So, get your Poppet that you really like. Get the Pop that you really like. Say hello.
Put.
Okay, no.
I'm holding a knife. Bum.
Dead body report.
I stopped. I was just swiping the card, and blast. Forget too fast. Wait, no. Ow, my boo boo. Wait. Okay, look. Oh,
Okay.
Dead body report.
Okay, no monkey. Okay, put this cupcake right there.
I want to eat it.
So, if any of them like any Poppet, show them all your Poppets.
Hey, don't show them.
One by one.
Okay, this is my
One by
Among Us
one.
Poppet. I really like it, so don't steal it. This is the square Poppet. It glows in the dark, like I said, like 100 times. And this,
You never said it.
I have. Okay, and I'm a happy face. That's a monkey noodle. And this is yours, Gad.
Oh yeah, why is that in mine? No, wait, I traded to you.
Oh yeah, and this is my watch. Look, you see? Boop, boop. Okay, no. This is the ice cream one. Hey, that's mine. And how about our ice cream one?
No, yeah, we're popping. Oh yeah, we're neutral.
Okay, and also
Here,
the cupcake one. I'm squishy.
Okay.
Mama.
Why does squish? I wonder why squishies. You squish them, it comes back to life. Squish, come back to life. They're like aliens from the mothership. They might not die.
Yeah.
Okay, next one. Okay, this is my watch. Remember crying? Oh, Mama, I want my brace puppet.
Remember how
You don't have any money. Okay.
Remember how Poppet hit us with that thing?
And she playing.
Stevie.
Okay,
A
stop.
Minecraft. Punch.
And,
Oh, my belly.
well, you're hitting it. Okay, now. This.
How long have we been recording?
Like, for like 11 minutes now. Okay, next. Okay. So, Alan, give me the pop that you really like.
No.
And why would I even keep it? I'm not gonna keep it. Oh! What was that? Okay, we're not gonna.
Hey, that's not what you really like.
No, I really like Steve Harrington.
He looks like
So-
a bald man.
So wait, when I'm done popping your
You see this?
humongous Poppet,
You see this red stuff? That's his hair.
I mean Steve Harrington.
That looks like his eyebrow.
Okay.
His eyebrow is connected.
Okay, next we're gonna try pop all of them in 1, 2, 3, go. How am I gonna pop it? It's so humongous.
Well, you pop it fast, and this is slow.
Done.
Yeah.
Well, I'm done.
I'm done.
Well, looks like who?
Look, I'm done. Okay, let's get done. 1, 2, 3, go.
Wait, not yet. Oh, no, not yet. Well, I'm doing this one then.
Yeah,
I win.
Dad, you didn't either. Do the backside too, so you cheated. I'm already done.
Well, look at you one, fella. Well,
Try him again.
Well, that means this is the end of the video. So.
This is not the end of the video. We're just showing our eyes.
Oh yeah, our eyes. Okay. Now see you, y'all.
Bye bye.
Next video.
Next bye.